Are you like me and you just look at food and you gain 5 pounds? The holidays are coming, and then I start getting panicked. Like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I know I'm just going to look at that pumpkin pie and 5 pounds already on me, right? Well, I have developed a guide called Festive and Fit. And it is a healthy eating guide that gives you tips and action steps so that you avoid gaining weight during the holidays. So it includes recipes, a grocery list, everything you need to make this holiday season festive and yet you stay fit and not gain weight. So this is for you if you have that same problem like me. Now, if you're like someone else who may not need this guide, that is, you can eat all the pumpkin pie, all of the eggnog, gingerbread cookies you want, and you don't gain an ounce, then this guide is not for you. No, you don't need it. But for all those others of us that are struggling during the holidays with weight gain, this guide is for you. All you have to do is just comment in the section below and you'll get your free download of this guide. Yes, it has all the recipes, the grocery list, even a checklist at the end. So please join me and make this holiday season the most festive and fit ever. Just download this guide and we'll make it happen.